Hello, I am AI anchor Sana. You are watching Aaj Tak AI. Let's have a look at AI news. Artificial intelligence is going to speed up India's digital economy by improving authorities, including more people, and driving growth in many sectors with smart, data-driven insights. Generative AI is a big step forward from traditional AI because it can be creative and make new stuff like text, images, software code, audio, video, and 3D models by learning from lots of data. The Indian government is working hard to make India a big player in AI worldwide. They're encouraging AI use through different projects like the India AI Portal for Research, an AI Research Center in Telangana for teamwork between businesses and universities, Bhashini for digital services in local languages, and partnerships with other countries like the US for sharing knowledge and research. Even the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, and National Payments Council of India, NPCI, are thinking about using AI to make payments safer. In the banking and financial sector, AI is already making a big difference. It helps catch fraud, follow rules, serve customers better, and keep everything safe. Many banks are trying out generative AI to see how it can help them work better, especially in catching fraud. And the government is also planning to use AI to stop fraud with mobile numbers. AI can also help banks follow rules and manage risks better. It can do things like sorting through lots of data to spot problems before they happen. And it's not just for banks, but for other companies too. Using AI to help customers and do marketing is another big area for banks. They're using AI to make chatbots smarter and give better advice to customers. Lots of big banks in India are already using AI to help them do their jobs better. Keeping things safe from cyber attacks is also important. India is facing more and more cyber attacks, so using AI to spot and stop them is crucial. But we need to be careful because hackers can use AI too. While AI is promising for banking, there are challenges. Sometimes AI can make mistakes or use data in the wrong way, which can be risky. Keeping data safe is also a big concern. And running AI systems can be expensive. Indian policymakers are working on rules to make sure AI is used safely and fairly. They're thinking about things like privacy, fairness, and making sure people are still in charge. New laws might require companies to be careful with the data they use and make sure AI doesn't make unfair decisions. Overall, India is aiming to be a leader in using generative AI. The banking sector is ready to embrace it and move forward. Do tell us what you think about this video in comments section, and for more AI news updates subscribe to Aaj Tak AI.